Hi guys, this is T-Bone Pearson here, and this is how to make old parchment paper just with regular printing paper. So here's I'm going to use a hairdryer on these, but they almost have like a mist look, you know that video game? And this is how I'm doing it. We've got tea over here that I've boiled up, and I'm just sitting there, and I have these. I have some just sort of drying out there. So I'm just going to grab the paper. I'm going to throw in not too many because then it doesn't get in the middle. Just like this. It's hot, so be careful. Push it in there. You can see my messy kitchen here. All right, let's just let it sit for a second here. Not too long. You don't want it to totally deteriorate. But we're making this you can use it for treasure maps or your own books. Just let it soak so it's properly in the tea. You can flip it around. And there we go, we're getting close right there. So then you can just let it dry over here. These ones have been drying for a bit. Oh, that one's really rough, but sometimes that works. So these ones aren't too bad. Let's bring them over here and throw them in the dishwasher like that. And just take one piece off and to use. So some rips are okay, you just don't want to totally rip it. So then you just take your fingers and you roll them like that, just like a little roll. And you see how the fibers start to come out. And then if you want it to be worse, you can just roll in a bit like that. And you can rip off corners. Whoops, there we go. And then once you're done, just leave it out to dry. Leave it out in the sun. Let's see, I'll just start rolling. And I'm using the hairdryer once I've got the look I want. And then you've got your treasure map or your old book. So you've got the old parchment. So there you go. The pages of mist. Although it's not going to be mist, it's going to be a book. And so watch Spellfury. That's our web series. And we also have a kids show coming out as well. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and share. Talk to you guys soon. Cheers. Bye.